Hello everyone! I'm very pleased to see that so many people join our meeting today. I'm also extremely happy that I have a big privilege to start the introduction of the new Graco XT products in 2024. However, before we start, I would like to take this opportunity and thank you, our business partners, for all your efforts and contribution to the growth of our joint business. We are sure that it is thanks to working together that we are able to build our strong leader position and common future. I think we also can agree that one of the foundations of the successful future is definitely innovation and product development. We at Graco constantly analyze the need of our customers to better understand job site challenges so we can fulfill all contractor expectations and maybe even over-exceed sometimes, and together with you, provide them with the best possible solutions. In recent years, Contractor Equipment Division has introduced many new products to the market, and definitely Ultra Quickshot became the undisputed sales bestseller last year. Of course, we are not slowing down in the pursuit of maintaining the reputation of the most innovative company in the industry. We are actually torquing up, and as a result, with a great pleasure, we would like to present to you a new breakthrough motor and gun technology that will allow our customers to experience Airless like never before. So, welcome in the future of Airless.
Welcome to the future of airless spraying. Experience Airless like never before. Today we take you on a journey which no one even considered to be possible. Today you will experience once again what it means to work with Graco, leading from the front through innovation. Today is about you, our partner in business and success, always striving to deliver the best solutions in the world. With our breakthrough XT motor technology, we deliver the first and only motor specifically designed for airless spray, delivering unmatched performance. XT Extreme Torque, designed, engineered and manufactured by Graco. Bringing breakthrough spray control and performance, breakthrough pump life and serviceability, breakthrough low noise construction. We have got you covered, now and in the future. By understanding job site challenges and providing concrete solutions to contractors' needs and requirements to get the job done right. By protecting your investment with a range of features during challenging macroeconomic times. By producing contractors' preferred products that are ready to be held by hands that create, transform and inspire. From the spark of an idea to the creation of a reliable tool. This journey showcases the dedication and passion that defines superior manufacturing. From motor to gun, discover the XT difference for yourself and experience Airless like never before.
Welcome. After years of development, we're thrilled to present you the new Ultra XT and Mark XT lineup. These XT sprayers provide our end users with an airless spraying experience they never thought possible. This is realized through breakthrough motor technology, breakthrough spray control and performance, and breakthrough advancements in pump technology. Today, we will have a look at our Ultra XT mid-size sprayers, our Ultra XT large electric sprayers, and our Mark XT sprayers. Let's start out with the Ultra XT mid-size sprayers. Here we have our Ultra XT mid-range sprayers. We start out with our 490 XT in both stand and high-bore version. Next up, we have our 495 XT, also available in stand and high-bore version. Lastly, we have our Ultra 650 XT in high-bore version. For the Ultra XT large electric spares, we have the 695, the 795, and the 1095, available in both standard and Pro Contractor versions. Last but not least, we also upgraded the Mark V and 7 to the XT platform. Again, both are available in the standard and Pro Contractor version. One may ask, where did the Ironman go? Well, we decided to combine the best features of the current Pro Contractor and the Ironman into the new Pro Contractor version. This means that going forward, we will not offer a separate Ironman version anymore. Now, let's dig a bit deeper and have a look at the heart of the sprayer, namely the motor. We're proud to present to you our new Graco Extreme Torque motor. This is the first motor specifically designed, engineered, and manufactured for airless spray. It has 8 times more magnets and delivers 15 times more torque compared to traditional multi-purpose motors used in dryers, furnaces, and other home appliances. Now, that may all be a bit theoretical, so let's watch a clip and see what 15 times more torque looks like.
Let's talk about the extreme torque difference and what it means for the products that you sell today. To my right is our gantry system. At the top left, you'll see the Max Power 2 brushless motor, the brushless electric motor standard in all Graco brushless products today. And at the right, you'll see the all-new Extreme Torque motor, standard on all XT products. The gantry is a great way to test the true torque of each of these motors. Directly connected to each of their shafts, we'll be seeing how much weight we can pull. First, let's start off with the Max Power 2 brushless motor. You'll see the Max Power 2 brushless motor is only capable of lifting 30 kilograms. This is the industry standard and what contractors are used to today. Graco has something new and better than ever, the new Extreme Torque motor. Let's see what it can lift. You'll see the Extreme Torque motor is capable of lifting upwards of 50 kilograms. That's a lot more torque, but that's not all. The Extreme Torque motor is capable of lifting upwards of 230 kilograms. That's a lot of torque, and that's the Extreme Torque difference.
While a traditional multi-purpose motor is running at 4,000 RPMs, our new Graco Extreme Torque motor is running at only 300 RPM, which is 90% slower. This enabled us to take out the dual-stage gear train for the mid-size electrics and go to a direct drive design. For the large electrics and the Mark XT units, we went from a dual-stage gear train to a single-stage advantage drive. Now, the first thing end users actually notice about our new XT sprayers is how quiet they are. Now, let's listen to the new sound of quality. Now let's have a look at how the new XT motor is integrated into our units. As you can see, the new XT motor is a lot more compact. This allowed us to move the control from the side of the unit to the back of the unit. Also, with a traditional multi-purpose motor, the fan is directly driven by the motor. With the new XT sprayer, this is not the case anymore. Now the fan is only turned on when the unit needs to be cooled. And the fan position has been moved down to the bottom of the sprayer. Also, our new XT motor is a lot lighter, reducing the overall package of our sprayer. Now let's have a look how our new XT sprayers provide breakthrough spray control and performance. All XT sprayers come with our new rapid response pressure control. It means that the units instantly respond to deliver the best finish quality. With our new XT motor, we can monitor pressure 60 times per motor revolution. Moreover, we can speed up the motor to pump changeovers. The result, the world's steadiest running pressure. In front of me, we have an Ultra 490 XT with clear shout to show you how our new XT motor is able to speed up to the pump changeovers. As you can see here, it speeds up and then slows down again. Now let's have a look at our running pressure. See, dead flat, right? What you have just seen is the world's steadiest running pressure. Now, some of you may have also noticed that we're reading out the pressure from a new display module. This will actually be available on all new XT sprayers, even on the standard version. Now, while we're at it, let's have a closer look at our new LED display module. On the right-hand side, we have our menu button. This can be used to show pressure readout, job or lifetime liter counter, and self-diagnostics. On the left-hand side, we have a new button, the performance mode button. With this button, we can easily switch between the two selectable performance modes. We have the low pressure performance mode, and we have the high pressure performance mode. These two modes enable the best finish quality for every application. Let's start out with the low pressure performance mode. The low pressure performance mode was developed to avoid overpressurizing your paints. This reduces overspray, paint consumption, and results in a better finish. The low pressure performance mode is engineered to be used with our green fine finish low pressure tips and our neon low pressure tips. In this mode, the pressure ranges between 3 and 140 bar, and you can dial it in with 1 bar increments. This makes it very easy to set your exact needed pressure. Also, the spray pressure will be nearly identical to your set pressure. Sometimes, however, 140 bars just isn't enough. With the push on a button, we can go to the high pressure performance mode. This mode delivers the full capabilities of the unit, and we can go up to 227 bars. This unit is designed to be used with harder to atomize materials when running longer hose lengths or when spraying in colder conditions. In the high pressure performance mode, we can set the pressure between 35 and 227 bars with increments of 3 bar. This is also the performance mode in which the units will ship. Welcome to our spray booth. Over here, we will show you how we can achieve superior finish quality thanks to our low pressure and high pressure performance modes. Next to me, I have our new Ultra 490 XT sprayer with the hopper kit filled with a lacquer. Of course, when we unbox the unit, we know it comes shipped in the high pressure performance mode. For a lacquer, we obviously need to go down to the low pressure performance mode. This can be achieved with just the push of a button. Let's see how easy it is to set our new XT sprayers to the exact pressure of 45 bars. See? It's just that simple. And now let's do some spraying and show you how these XT sprayers provide the world's steadiest running pressure to achieve the best possible finish quality. So as you have just seen, our new XT sprayers provide the world's steadiest running pressure, achieving the most consistent spray pattern. For the second part of our spray demo, we have set up a new Ultra 495 XT Highboy in a typical wall paint. As you can see, the unit is already set in the low pressure performance mode. We did this because we actually found during field testing that most wall paints can be atomized in the low pressure performance mode. We know this particular paint can be atomized at 90 bar. Once again, we can see how easy it is to dial in your exact needed pressure. Let's do some spraying. Impressive how steady the running pressure was with our new XT sprayers and using a wall paint. Now, for some harder to atomize materials or when running longer hose lengths, the 140 bar of the low pressure performance mode just isn't enough. But with the push of a button, we can go to the high pressure performance mode. We advise you to slightly dial back the pressure control knob, then go into the high pressure performance mode, in which you can go all the way up to the max pressure of 227 bars. This covers it for the spray demo. Now let's see what other breakthrough features XT sprayers have in store for you. We have more to show. Watchdog, the Graco feature which prevents pump damage when material supply is too low by automatically shutting off the pump, is now available on all XT sprayers. Watchdog can be easily enabled or disabled by holding down our performance mode button 3 seconds. The LED indicator light indicates the status of Watchdog. Another new feature we have available on all XT sprayers is our Turbo Clean. Turbo Clean drives our XT motor to max speed to deliver the high velocity fluid flow that cleans the pump 6 times faster by using half the fluid. Turbo Clean is now located at the end of the pressure control knob, which makes it very intuitive to use. Next, let's have a look at a crucial part of our sprayer, the pump. Also here, XT brings breakthrough advancements to deliver longest pump life and on-the-job serviceability. In front of me, we have a pump cutout of the new Ultra 490 and 495 XT. The first thing we notice is that the Vortex rotating piston rod technology will now be available on all XT sprayers. A Vortex rotating rod automatically rotates while pumping, delivering a 360 degrees wear surface and virtually eliminates side loading, providing 3 times longer life compared to competitive pumps. Also new is the quick access intake. This delivers faster primer and easier access to the inlet ball. With regards to the packings, we have stayed with our proven exclusive VMAX blue packings. All these improvements carry over to the large and Mark XT units. For the 695 and the 795 Pro Contractor, the pumps will have the Max Life coating. For the 1095 XT, the Mark V XT and the Mark VII XT Pro Contractor series, the pumps will receive the Vortex Max Life Extreme treating. With all these improvements, we have significantly increased pump life before service. Let's have a look and visualize this. With our Endurance Vortex technology, which is included on all standard XT series, we can already pump 3 times more liters before repack compared to our competition. When going to the Endurance Vortex Max Life pumps, we can even pump 6 times more liters before repack compared to our Endurance Vortex technology. The Endurance Vortex Max Life coating is included on the 695 and the 795 XT Pro Contractor sprayers. On the top end, we have our Endurance Vortex Max Life Extreme coating. This coating provides 3 times more liters to be sprayed before piston rod replacement compared to our Endurance Vortex Max Life coating. The Max Life Extreme coating is included on the 1095, the Mark V, and the Mark VII XT Pro Contractor series. Next to longest pump life in the industry, we also offer quickest serviceability on the job, thanks to our ProConnect technology. This is now available on all XT spares. By just using one simple tool, we can easily remove the pump, replace it with a new one, and get you back to spraying in a matter of seconds. By now, we have covered the XT benefits. Let's do a quick recap. We start with our Ultra 490 to 650 XT mid-size electric sprayers. At the heart of our sprayers, we have the extreme torque motor technology. Our rapid response pressure control provides the world's steadiest running pressure and best finish quality. On the side of the unit, we have the new LED digital display module, on which we can find the selectable performance mode. Here, we also find our watchdog pump protection function. Next to the digital display, we have the pressure control knob, used to engage our Turbo Clean cleaning system for fastest cleaning. The mid-size sprayers also feature the Endurance Vortex pump with ProConnect for longest life and on-the-job serviceability. It's the quietest sprayer ever built, being up to 10 times quieter compared to current sprayers. Furthermore, it's a lighter, more portable system. Also, it features the easy-out pump filter and a rugged, durable frame. For the large Ultra XT and Mark XT standard sprayers, we have the extreme torque motor technology at the heart of the sprayer. Here it connects to the piston rod through our single-stage advantage drive. Our rapid response pressure control provides the world's steadiest running pressure and best finish quality. On the side of the unit, we have the LED digital display module on which we can find the selectable performance mode and also our watchdog pump protection function. Next to the digital display, we have the pressure control knob, used to engage Turbo Clean cleaning system for fastest cleaning. On the standard series, we have our Endurance Vortex pump with ProConnect for longest life and on-the-job serviceability. Furthermore, it's the quietest sprayer ever built, being up to 10 times quieter compared to current sprayers. Also on there is our easy-out pump filter system, and the unit is built on a rugged, durable frame. The Pro Contractor series has all standard features, plus the Endurance Vortex Max Life pump on the 695 and the 795 XT. The 1095, Mark V, and Mark VII XT Pro Contractor come equipped with our Endurance Vortex Max Life Extreme pump. Furthermore, these Pro Contractor units are equipped with our quick reel hose management system, highly valued by many end users. The smart display on the Pro Contractor series differs from the display on the standard units as it's Contractor PowerShot XT gun-enabled. Also, we have our BlueLink job site management system functionality. The Pro Contractor units are delivered with a crash-proof inlet filter and flat-proof tires, so end users never have to worry about inflating their tires again. Also, the toolbox is included, providing a convenient place to store guards, tips, and other tools. Now, let's have a look at the complete 2024 lineup. We start out with the 2024 midsize electric airless lineup. For the midsize electric sprayers, we keep all our current ST Max sprayers in our offering. On top of that, we are adding our 490, 495, and 650 XT sprayers to the lineup. Whereas the ST Max lineup starts out with a 23 tip support, the new Ultra 490 XT already supports a 25 tip size. As a consequence, the Ultra 495 XT's performance has increased with one tip size to 27. You will also have noticed the maximum flow of our new Ultra XT units has increased with an average of 10%. On the next slide, you can see the 2024 large electric airless lineup. For the large electric sprayers, we keep the current standard Ultramax sprayers in our offering. Of course, we will be adding the Ultra 695, 795 and 1095 XTs in both standard and Pro Contractor versions. Just as with the midsize XT sprayers, the max flow has increased around 10% across the board for our XT sprayers. For the Mark range, we decided to discontinue the Mark IV models, meaning the Mark lineup starts from the current Mark V standard. On top of that, we will have the new Mark V XT in both standard and Pro Contractor version. We also keep the Mark VII standard in our lineup and add the new Mark VII XT in both standard and Pro Contractor version. Our industry-leading Mark X standard and Pro Contractor sprayers remain unchanged. Overall, we will not continue to offer any Ironman model going forward. This concludes our presentation of our new breakthrough Graco XT sprayers. Now let's go over to my colleague Boris, who has another exciting product in store for you.
Thank you, Peter. Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce you to yet another great innovation by Graco, but before I do, let's go back to more or less 1 year ago. As you all know, last year we launched the Graco Ultra Quickshots that you see right here, and this has been one of the most successful product launches ever in Graco's history, and I'm sure you guys can all confirm that. Thousands of contractors have been vocal about how this gun technology has been a game changer for their business. And I'm really talking about all sorts of contractors, whether they're residential repainters or whether they're commercial contractors. All of those contractors, they really valued the fastest trigger speed, the fact that this gun virtually eliminates spits and gives you the best possible airless finish quality. This gun has the lightest trigger pull and is also the lightest weight airless gun on the market today. When we as Graco go into the markets and we talk to you guys or we talk to end users and contractors, we often get the question whether they can connect their Ultra Quickshot gun to their larger airless sprayer. And that is exactly what we did. Graco listened to your feedback, Graco listened to customer needs, and we developed the Contractor PowerShot. Here it is. What I have here in my hand today is the world's first electronic airless gun that can be attached to any airless sprayer. And when I say any airless sprayer, I really mean literally any airless sprayer. Whether that's a smaller paint unit like a JXFF, for example, whether that's a complete brand new Ultra 495 XT or any Ultra XT sprayer that you saw earlier today, or whether that's a current generation of Graco sprayers or even a very old Graco sprayer and even a competitive unit, you can attach this gun to any airless sprayer with a 1/4-inch hose. With the Contractor PowerShot gun, you will be able to virtually eliminate spits, you will reduce operators' fatigue, you will improve your finish quality, you will have the fastest service on the job site possible, and you will also enjoy easy hose management. The Contractor PowerShot gun is the lightest airless gun ever built in the market. It's even 30% lighter compared to the Contractor PC gun, which is still the leading industry gun today. It also has the lightest trigger pull and hold force. Comparing it to the Contractor PC gun, it's even 80% lighter. We've talked about the Ultra Quickshot before, and as you all know, the Ultra Quickshot is made for small jobs, whereas this Contractor PowerShot gun can be used for any paint job. Whether that's a small fine finish job, whether that's a larger commercial job where you have to spray all day, this Contractor PowerShot gun will do it without any issues. That's also why we made some small modifications compared to the Ultra Quickshot gun. If you look at the handle, we've made the handle a little bit bigger, and we also made it a 2-finger trigger instead of a 1-finger trigger. And that will ultimately reduce the operator's fatigue, and it will make sure you can spray comfortably all day long. Just as with the Ultra Quickshots, the Contractor PowerShot gun will come with an instant response electric powered trigger. This Graco exclusive technology delivers the fastest needle speeds possible. It's even 80 times faster compared to a traditional mechanical trigger. Because of this Graco exclusive feature, you will virtually eliminate spits, giving you the best possible airless finish quality with any of your paint jobs. And now, let's look at an animation of how this technology works. Here you'll see a traditional airless gun with a mechanical trigger pull. The trigger speed is fully reliant on the operator. pour technique leads to more frequent and larger spits. There's also a larger needle travel, and it takes longer to open and close, resulting in spits in your spray pattern. The Contractor PowerShot, on the other hand, has an instant response electric power trigger that removes the human elements and gives you up to 80 times faster trigger speed. With a shorter needle travel to open and close, the Contractor PowerShot will virtually eliminate any spits, giving you a perfect airless finish quality. Another thing I would like to highlight on this gun is the serviceability that contractors demand. So, you all know the Contractor PC gun, and you also know the ProConnect replacement cartridge that comes with this Contractor PC gun. Well, we've taken that concept and we've also created an exclusive PowerShot ProConnect replacement cartridge. This cartridge will ensure the fastest service on the job site and will reduce your downtime to the absolute minimum. In this simple cartridge, we have a needle and all wear parts into one simple part, so it's very, very easy. How does that work? You take off the guards. You wrench off the old cartridge. You take a new cartridge. Make sure that you wrench it tightly. And that's it. Within a couple of seconds, you have a complete brand new gun. So the serviceability doesn't only extend only to the replacement cartridge. If needed, you can also replace the solenoid on the gun. You can replace the gun clamshell. You can replace the trigger, and you can replace all hoses that come with this gun. Let's have one last comparison between the Contractor PC gun and the all-new Contractor PowerShot gun. As mentioned before, the Contractor PowerShot is 30% lighter compared to the Contractor PC gun and weighs only about 400 grams. It has 80% lighter trigger pull force to make sure you can spray all day, and because of the instant response electric power trigger, the trigger pull is 80 times faster. With the Contractor PowerShot gun, you will virtually eliminate spits, giving you the best possible airless finish quality. Whereas the Contractor PC gun has an adjustable trigger, the Contractor PowerShot has a 2-finger trigger. Both guns are compatible with any airless sprayer on the market. Both guns have their own ProConnect replacement cartridge, and both guns are manufactured in our own facility in Sioux Falls, USA. So now let's have a look what comes with the complete PowerShot package. So we've already talked about the gun. On the gun, there is a flexible repose connected of 1/8 inch and 1.8 meters. And it's actually the exact same repose that also comes with the ultra quick shot gun. So it's proven design, it's proven performance, and it's extremely flexible to provide a superior spray control and reduce user fatigue. On the other side of the repose, there is an all-new power pack system included. As you can see, it has an ergonomic handle, so you can carry it around anywhere that you want. It's also powered by a DeWalt 18-volt 2 amps battery, just like the QuickShot and the handhelds. And actually, it's delivered with 2 batteries and a charger. However, with a fully charged battery, you can spray all day long with your PowerShot gun. On the other side of your power pack, there is a material supply hose connected. That material supply hose is 1/8 inch and it's 30 centimeters long. And it also has a swivel. And this will make sure you have an easy tangle-free hose management. And it will allow contractors to fit into those tight spaces and to smaller areas. Something else I want to highlight is the superior filtration that we've added. So right here, there is also a filter connected, and I will show you right away how to connect that and how to deconnect that. And this will keep the debris out of your spray pattern, make sure you have the best possible finish quality available. So let's have a look how to get to your filter. You will need to use a wrench. You simply wrench open the connection. So here you see the filter. As you notice, it's the exact same easy out gun filter that we use with every Contractor series gun. So it's inside out filtration, it's proven performance, Contractors know about this and will easily recognize this if they need to clean or replace their filter. So once you close it back up, make sure that you wrench it completely to get it tight. We've also made sure there is hands-free portability. So as you can see, we're including a belt and a holster with every PowerShot. And this will make sure that you have easy hose-free management. As you will notice, it's very easy to attach the power pack to your holster. Of course, if you're used to using your own belts, there's no issue. You can always attach the holster to your own belt as well. All of this will reduce hose management time and will make sure that you maximize your spray time. Just to show you guys that we really thought of everything, we've also made a manifold connection to our holster. What does that mean? Imagine you've been spraying for a while or maybe all day and you want to take a break. All you have to do is take your holster and you can effortlessly attach it to the filter manifold like this. This connection will fit on every Graco sprayer manifold, and this will make sure that you will never forget your holster or your gun, and you can easily ensure a fast and easy transportation of both your sprayer and also your gun. So I hope you're all as excited as I am about this revolutionary new gun, and I'm sure the second that you trigger it for the first time, you will be blown away. So to summarize, the Contractor PowerShots will help contractors all around the world to improve their finish quality, to minimize fatigue, and eventually boost their profitability. But there's more. We did not stop there. So here it is, guys, the brand new PowerShot XT. This gun will connect to any Airless sprayer and will also give you the benefits of a Contractor PowerShot standard that we discussed earlier. However, once you connect this PowerShot XT gun to your Ultra XT sprayer, you will be able to unlock additional features and benefits. One of those features and benefits is that it enables direct gun-to-sprayer communication, which will deliver next-generation performance and next-generation control. Another feature is that you can remotely adjust the pressure directly from this gun. And finally, with the new Contractor PowerShot XT, you will eliminate pressure surge, and you will also eliminate gun kickback with a complete new feature called Smart Stall. All right, let's now have a look at all those features a bit more in detail. The PowerShot XT works through radio frequency, which enables instant gun-to-sprayer communication that will reach up to 60 meters, even through walls and potential other obstacles. To do that, you have to connect your PowerShot XT gun to your Ultra XT sprayer. It's extremely easy to do that. You just need 2 simple steps, and I will show you right now how to do that. It's very easy to connect your Contractor PowerShot XT gun to your Ultra XT sprayer. All you have to do is navigate through the display. You press the menu button once, twice, 3 times, and then you will see it says pair spray gun. At that moment, press the menu button again for 3 seconds. It will mention searching. Right now, take your PowerPack XT and press the plus and the minus button at the exact same time. You will notice that the screen will mention gun connected. Right now, your Contractor PowerShot XT is connected to your Ultra XT sprayer. Now that your Ultra XT sprayer is connected to your PowerShot XT gun, you will be able to enjoy all the features and all the benefits that come with this PowerShot XT gun. One of those features is the fact that you can remotely adjust the pressure on the gun. So you can easily dial in your desired pressure to meet the performance of any job by the simple touch of a button. You will find those buttons on the back of your power pack right here, where you see a plus and a minus. This feature will offer you the fastest and the easiest way to adjust pressure right where you are. That means you don't have to go back to your sprayer. You can just adjust the pressure right where you are spraying, whether that's on a boom lift, whether that's on scaffolds, whether that's on a ladder, or even in the basement. You can just adjust the pressure by pressing a button on your power pack without having to go back to your sprayer. The great thing about this technology is also that the potentiometer on your sprayer and the remote adjustable pressure on your power pack, they work seamlessly together. That means whatever was last adjusted becomes your spray pressure. As I already told you before, it has precision pressure adjustment up to 60 meters away, and it will even go through walls or any other obstacles. Another thing I want to highlight, if you remember from the previous Ultra XT presentation, with the new Ultra XT sprayers, we have 2 different performance modes. We have a high pressure performance mode and we have a low pressure performance mode. Depending on what performance mode you are in with your Ultra XT spare, that will also affect the operation of your PowerShot XT gun. Imagine I'm spraying a small fine finish job and I'm spraying in the low pressure modes. That means if I press the plus or the minus on my power pack, my pressure will go up or down by increments of only 1 bar. If I change it to high pressure modes, that will change. If I then press the plus or the minus on my power pack, my pressure will not go up or down by 1 bar, but it will change to 3 bar. One more feature I want to highlight on this PowerShot XT gun is Smart Stall. It's an exclusive new feature that will allow contractors to spray consistently at even lower pressures. Actually, traditional sprayers, they are not responsive enough. The pump continues to run when the gun is shut off. This is the reason why stall pressure is usually much higher than running pressure, because the system is simply too slow to respond. Thanks to Smart Stall, this is history. So Smart Stall is the first system that shuts the pump off when the trigger is released. This feature will eliminate the initial gun blast once you trigger, so you don't have an inconsistent thickness. Thanks to Smart Stall, we will now have consistent pressure, leading to consistent thickness, all the way from the beginning until the end of a spray pattern. So, to unlock all additional benefits that come with the PowerShot XT gun, you need, of course, a PowerShot XT gun itself, you need an Ultra XT spare, and you also need a smart display. I have a smart display right here. That smart display will, of course, give you the instant gun-to-spare communication that we just talked about, and additionally, it will also get you Blue Link. You will be able to easily recognize the smart display by the Bluetooth logo that you see right here. The smart display will come installed with every XT Pro contractor, all the way from the 695 until the 1095. However, on the XT 490, 495, 650, and also on the standard large electric spares, there will be a standard display. It will not have the smart display installed. So if you want to unlock all the additional benefits of the PowerShot XT, you will need to install a smart display on those spares as well, which can be done by 2 simple easy screws. Very easy. So to summarize, we have 2 new Contractor PowerShot models that we're going to launch this year. We have the Contractor PowerShot Standard, which will connect to any airless spare, whether that's a very old unit, whether that's a competitive unit, or whether that's a brand new Ultra XT unit. This Contractor PowerShot will be able to connect to any airless units. On the other side, we have the brand new Contractor PowerShot XT that can also be attached to any unit and will give you all the benefits of a Contractor PowerShot Standard. However, if you want to enjoy the additional XT benefits, you will have to pair it to an Ultra XT spare, which gives you all the additional benefits we just talked about before. Both models include a hands-free power pack. It includes a belt and a holster. It will also have the 60 mesh easy out gun filter that is already installed in your power pack. Both models will come with 2 18-volt DeWalt batteries. It will also come with a DeWalt charger. And eventually it will come with a rack tank guard and a low pressure 517 switch tip. Here's the final comparison between the Contractor PowerShot Standard and the Contractor PowerShot XT. Both guns are the lightest guns on the market with the lightest trigger pull force. Because of the electric powered gun, we will virtually eliminate spits. Both guns are compatible with any airless spare. However, if you want to enjoy all the PowerShot XT benefits, you will have to pair it with an Ultra XT spare. The PowerShot XT gun will come with a Power Pack XT that remotely lets you adjust the pressure and gives you a brand new feature called Smart Stall. Both guns can be repaired by the ProConnect cartridge in under a minute, and both of them will be manufactured in the USA with DeWalt batteries. On your screen, you can see the 2024 final list price of both the Contractor PowerShot Standard and also the Contractor PowerShot XT. Thank you all for your attention. I hope you guys are all excited as we are about this revolutionary new gun.